Imagine you're sending a package through email. You hand it to the postal worker and they say, okay, I'll get this delivered. But what if they don't actually send it? You wouldn't know unless you track the package, right? That's kind of like unchecked token transfers in Solidity. In Solidity, when you use functions like transfer or transfer from to move tokens between accounts, they usually return a Boolean value, true or false, indicating whether the transfer was successful. But if you don't check this return value, you are essentially blindly trusting that the transfer went through. This can be a big security risk because a malicious contract or a bug in the token contract could cause the transfer to fail without you knowing. The token might not reach its destination, and your contract might continue executing as if everything went smoothly. For example, if you are building a contract that allows users to buy items with tokens and you don't check the return value of the transfer, a malicious user could create a fake token contract that fails to transfer tokens but still returns true. This would allow them to buy items without actually paying for them. So how do you avoid this common security mistake? Always check the return value of any token transfer function. If it returns false, handle the error appropriately, such as reverting the transaction or notifying the user. This will help ensure that your contract is secure and that token transfers are always successful.